Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm going to do another lipstick demo. This is one of those color stay, like long wear lipsticks. It's kind of funny because it doesn't say the name on it. It just says the number. It's $5.49. So I thought it would go with this eye color that is a beautiful, beautiful purple color. I'm going to line my lips with the Avon Mystery Mauve. Ooh. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the lips. I do like these Avon lip liners, but my most favorite lip liners are the Jordanas that you get at Walgreens. They're like a dollar and some change, and I just like the fact that they're very cheap, and they're just as good as these Avon ones. I mean, if you guys like this Avon color, I'll try to find it posted down below, but if you don't like to shop online, I hope you guys can understand me when I'm putting my lipstick on. If you don't like to shop online, you can, I don't even know what I was saying. So what do you guys think? If you don't like to shop online, you can get the Jordanas at Walgreens. It's a very, very pretty, mauve-y, beautiful lip color. Now this one, I haven't seen a color like this from Jordana. They have a similar, but not, this one's really, really pretty actually. Mystery Mauve. So let's go ahead and try this color. Oh, you know what? My bad. So we don't want like a harsh line. So you kind of want to bring in your lip liner just a little bit into the center. So everything kind of blends together. Just like that. Easy peasy Covergirl. I know I'm being so silly. Okay, so here we go. Number 549. So this is a pinky shade. I don't know why. I think it's a little bit more pink on camera. Ooh, let's see if it's that pink on my lips. This is a early nice color. I don't know if you guys have ever tried these long wear lipsticks, but like, especially if it's like a date night, these are the best kind of lipsticks to wear. Because you can get all smoochy with your boyfriend, and you will have lipstick on all night. I think that this is a gorgeous color. I think I picked a gorgeous color. What do you guys think? Yeah. Beautiful color. So these lipsticks, they have to dry down a little bit, and then you put the lip gloss on top. So you can just get one of these handy dandy little fans. You guys have seen these. They sell these everywhere. I use it to like dry my lipsticks, dry my liquid eyeliners, liquid shadows, things like that. Very pretty. Anyways, I'll post a link if you guys are interested in that. I don't actually know if there's a link to that, but maybe I'll find one. So it's become dry. It becomes a little bit tacky. Take the clear gloss, and you just go right on top. And smear that all over. And there you go. Wah, bam! It's done. I'm beautified for 24 hours. Anyways, we are going to a quinceañera tonight. So I think this is a very appropriate look. I hope you guys enjoyed this lipstick demo. If you like this, I will try to find a link. If I can't find a link, I'm sorry, my bad. You got to go to the store. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video so much that you give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.